Today, I'm going to introduce my family. The oldest member in my family is my grandpa. 55 years ago, he got married to my grandma. Grandpa, grandma. They have 3 children. My dad, my uncle, and my aunt. Dad, uncle, aunt. My aunt has a child. Her name's Sarah. She is my cousin. Cousin. My uncle has a child. His name's Tom. He's my cousin too. Cousin. Sarah and Tom are my cousins. This is my dad. And this is my mom. They got married 34 years ago. Mom. They have 3 children. Me, my brother, and my sister. Me, brother, sister. My brother has 2 children. This beautiful girl is my niece. This cute boy is my nephew. Niece, nephew. I'm married. And this is my husband. I'm his wife. Husband, wife. We have 2 children, a baby boy and a baby girl. The boy is our son, and the girl is our daughter. Son, daughter. They're my family members. Grandpa, grandma, uncle, dad, aunt, mom, cousin, me, husband, sister, brother, cousin, daughter, son, niece. nephew